stopped scrolling for a second because these t-shirt ideas had me looking at old shirts like they were hiding secret identities. I was scrolling Pinterest and found some seriously fun t-shirt upcycling ideas that take something sitting in a drawer and turn it into something that actually feels exciting again. Some of these made me think, wait a minute, that used to be a regular t-shirt. I linked my Pinterest board down below so you can review the ideas and patterns and see which ones caught your eye. While you're watching, tell me which one is your favorite, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning idea in my own style and put my own twist on it. Let's see if these shirts are about to get a second chance at life. There's something powerful about giving something a second chance. And I think that is one of the reasons I love upcycling shirts so much. I keep thinking about how easy it is to look at an old shirt and decide its story is finished. Maybe it is stretched out. Maybe the color faded. Maybe it does not fit the same anymore. Maybe it sat folded in a drawer so long that it practically paid rent for the space it was taking up. Then, one little idea shows up and suddenly the whole thing changes. Few cuts, few stitches, little imagination, and that same shirt can become something exciting again. It is funny because people do this with fabric all the time, but sometimes we forget that life works that way too. We can look at something and think it has reached the end of the road, when really it might just be waiting for a new direction. I think creativity has a way of seeing possibility where other people only see leftovers. Sometimes all it takes is looking at something from a different angle. Also, if you enjoy these ideas and love creative projects like this, make sure to like and subscribe, because we are always turning everyday things into something fabulous around here. And if you are learning to sew or create, I have tutorial videos linked below from previous projects and different ideas that might help you along the way. I also love that t-shirts have history attached to them. Some have concert memories, vacation memories, favorite colors, funny sayings, or they belong to a season of life you remember. Instead of throwing them away, there's something special about saying, no, I am not done with this yet. Today, these shirts are getting a second chance and becoming brand new clothing pieces with a completely different look and personality. That is part of the fun because the ending has not been decided yet. Sometimes a new chapter starts with just one small choice. Sometimes giving something a second chance is not really about the shirt at all. It is about changing the way we look at things. think a lot of us have moments where we decide something's too worn out, too old, too plain, or not exciting enough anymore. Then creativity walks into the room and completely changes the conversation. That plain t-shirt sitting there can become something that feels brand new without ever stepping inside a store. I love that because creating something with your own hands feels different than buying something. There is a little moment at the end where you hold it up and think, wait a minute, I actually made that. That feeling never gets old. It is almost like watching a tiny comeback story happen right on your sewing table. One minute, the shirt was sitting there looking retired, and the next minute, it got called back into the game. I think that is why I love projects like these, because they remind us that potential can hide in places people overlook. Sometimes, all something needs is another chance and somebody willing to see what it could become. If you are looking for supplies, I also have helpful products linked below, like sewing machines, sewing machine needles, and fabric ideas that can make creating easier. I also have links below to other related videos and tutorial videos from previous projects and different ideas if you want even more inspiration after this one. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep giving ordinary things another chance because you never know what they might turn into. Now go watch the next video and I will see you there. I think one of the best parts of upcycling is that it teaches us to stop looking for perfection. Not every shirt starts out looking exciting, and not every project comes together perfectly on the first try. Sometimes you cut something and think, bold decision. Sometimes the sewing machine has opinions for the day, but every project teaches something and every little step builds confidence.